is that? Yeah. Yep. Hey guys, this is Twin House. This is a new video. I'm going to be doing two things, and I'm in some separate videos. First one, how to get the case off. The second one was graphics, power supplies, graphics card. That was it. Graphics card. Graphics card. How to install that. So, oh yeah. Do not put the case on the floor because it's static. So there's an anti-static bag. You put that underneath the case.
What? What are you talking about?
Now, as you can see here, this. Hold on. So I've already got my graphics card installed. I thought, no, this is I don't know. DVR.
Graphics card. Yeah, that's your graphics card. Don't take it out. You're ruining it.
This is a power supply. No, this is this is the power supply. So now then, how would put this thing off to get inside and edit the motherboards and stuff? There's this screws here. The unscrew.
Do you need a screwdriver? This one.
This one. So we're gonna unscrew it.
And just show it in the camera. This one.
It's the bolt one.
This one.
Go out! Yeah, so we're gonna unscrew this.
Ethan.
What can I say? Go well! I'm gonna unscrew those. But get the first large pan out of it. So now I carefully put it on top of the motherboard box that comes with it. So you don't lose them. Shut up! Stop it! Go well! And then do the bottom one as well underneath. Do it and put that next to it.
Whoops! Don't lose them. Keep them in the safe.
There's a bit here. You put some in there and you just go. Like this. So yeah.
We're inside.
Inside, lads.
Where should I put this?
Right, so we're off. Now then, let's get the bearings. This is the power supply cooler. No. CPU cooler.
This is a PSU over here.
I'm looking to get water cooling in this build, but I don't know. This is my graphics. No, that's not a graphics card. This is
graphics card.
This is no, that's a RAM. This is graphics card. Yeah.
Yeah,
this is Mr. R.
Graphics card.
Can I put it in so they can see? I'll flag this in so they can see the cooling.
Alright. Hold on. You're going upside down, so careful.
Careful. Oh yeah, MSR. Now, I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to ruin my one.
Well, I'm recording. Come on then.
Hello guys, it's Listen to here, and I will be showing you what to do with a graphics card, what to put it, and what to do with it. Right.
We need some lighting over here.
Yeah, I'll take this out in my pocket.
Now, you can also see from our previous tutorial how to take the case off.
Yeah.
That's the case. And we use these two to do
some scrolls. How's the light, Fred? Ow, that was in my eye.
The last time, why did you keep calling me Fred? It's not right.
Just put the screws up very carefully.
Very carefully.
Well, now we're going to lift the case this up. Very carefully. Now, let's go to specific. What's that?
Specifications.
Specifications. So now, video. Now, you need to make sure you have, expansions, capacitors. No, video, I don't know, video and expansion. So, we have it was one PCI Express X16 slot, and if you want Crossfire or Westfield SLRs, for the number idea, then you want two PCI Express X16 slots, or one X8 and one X16. So to make sure we got that, now there's careful this back on. Oh yeah, I need to this is another video. Because you have to put down an anti-static bag because it's highly static, and if you touch it, it could
there's neutrons and protons that can make up everything. So
okay.
even on a carpet like this, you still get neutrons and protons that slap off onto the case, causing a static electric shock and upsetting system performance.
Yeah, now the graphics card for number 7.
There's the graphics card.
It's the 5450.
It's a basic one. You can buy it for like
it was
£20.
like ultra BF frills settings, you know, so I can max out some BF frills. I might do some BF frills videos. I don't know how to explain it, but anyway. So bring the
Cameras.
now. This is the RAM. Yeah.
RAM.
The RAM.
2 4-gig sticks.
So that makes it dual channel. So that's the AMD cooler for my AMD Athlon.
No, it's a bulldozer, isn't it?
AMD FX 4100, or also known as AMD Bulldozer. And here's my
It's only a
500 watts CRT model 500 CB. It's just a basic thing that came with the case, because I'm not going to install. I have to do like scrolls and stuff. It's really cool.
I'm going to do our computer in another video. Well, we haven't got that computer anymore, but this is a new one. It did blow up.
This is
that's
a new
exactly what
build.
Yeah.
Now, what was the name of this?
The graphics card.
Graphics card, yeah. It's a HD Radeon 5450 the 1 Judo 12 H/Alpha. And hey, look, Fred. There's that chip I lost the other day.
I wouldn't eat it. It's been next to the PSU.
So, anyway, graphics card.
And they might have stuff in
Remove that, Fred.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
In the under. Don't put it in there.
careful with that shit. Oh yeah. Always when you install a graphics card, it won't work unless you install it. And you normally get a disc with it, or it can download from the main website.
If it's a 690, like that or something, the Blu-ray using a disc, but
Careful with that disc.
the older graphics cards, you like, you need, what you call it, what's it called? What's it called? Oh yeah, you need to download it from the website.
Yeah.
It probably be an outside version, probably. So anyway, graphics card. Now, as you can see here, this, so, put it,
Should we move it back a bit? Careful with the kills. Make sure it's on the anti-static bar, because you don't want protons and neutrons.
the blue dots here, the blue lines here. That one. It's a PCI Express.
Shall we pull it out just to show?
No, because it's squirrels. And normally on the Gigabyte motherboards, I don't have that on my side. But there's...
I'll put that for an MSI one.
Because I don't know what they are, and I thought it sounded good.
No, but it was because it was cheap, wasn't it?
Now, Gigabyte motherboards are good ones. It was Sally, which is the PCI Express lot. But anyway, it's got this little loopy thing in here, which you have to click into place when you put the thing in hard enough. So yeah, you have to make sure it's all there. Basically, to put it in, you just hold it in your hand like this, and you just goes out. And later we'll probably go to Jumper. Is it playing?
Yeah.
You told me to pause that. Sorry about that. There's a phone call from Caroline, Fred's girlfriend. So yeah. So
Not my girlfriend.
You just put it in like this. And then just screw.
17.
Just screw in that. There's a screw there, so. Up there. Just screw that in.
Oh, hang on, I can't see it. Where?
Screw down a bit on the.
Where? I can't see it.
There. Okay.
Oh, right.
I'm sure the
So the screw is just,
They probably.
yeah.
You probably run a hammer and then just bang down it on the graphics card a bit, so it goes into place.
They're very tough things.
Oh yeah, they won't close. And then
This graphics card hasn't got a fan, but it's lower to the end. We're not going to overclock.
Yeah,
It's not
I
quite clever.
pop with fans was like,
No, you'll break it. And then
yeah, I
we're on a computer.
upload this video on graphics cards and cases. So I'll close the
Family
camera
fat.
and stay tuned for next videos. Guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Calendar.
Yes.
Oh.